Good morning, class. We are in Olympiad course, class 1, chapter 3. Chapter name is Animals. So let's learn about animals. Let me share my screen and explain you. Animals. On this earth, we see plants and animals. Plants are living things. Yesterday's chapter we have learned about plants. What are the types of plants, what are the parts of the plant. And in today's class, chapter 3, animals. So animals are also living things. They are in and around us. Some live with us and some live in forest. Some live in water. So let us study about animals. And today we are going to learn about animals which are around us. They live with us, they live in forest and they live in water. So, what are animals? Animals means living things. They move, they eat food, they breathe, and they grow, and they move from one place to another place. They eat food, they hunt food. Some animals they eat plants, and some animals they eat flesh of other animals. So they move, they eat food, they breathe, they grow, they are the living things. So can you name one animal? Yes. Dog, cat, tiger, lion, all these are animals. What are pet animals? Pet animals means which live with us, which we take care of them, like cat, dog, fish, parrot, all these are pet animals. So, do you have any pet animals at your home? Did you take care of it? Did the pet animals are properly fed or properly gave the medicine? So, when you give all this, they will be our friends. They are just like us. So, this is about pet animals and wild animals. What are wild animals? Wild animals means which live in the forest, like lion, tiger, deer, zebra, elephant. All these are wild animals. They live in the forest. They hunt other animals for their food. They are strong, but they do not live with humans because they are wild. They live in the forest. So lion we call it as king of the jungle. So wild animals means which live in the forest. What are farm animals? Farm animals means cow, goat, horse, sheep, hen, buffalo. All these are farm animals. Why they are called farm animals? Because they give us milk. They give us something for us. We take some food products from them. Like hen gives us eggs and cow gives us milk. Goat gives us meat, and hen gives us eggs. Buffalo, it gives us milk. Some animals they serve us. Horses, donkeys, they carry loads. So these are the farm animals. And what are water animals? Water animals means which live in the water, like fishes, whales, all these are water animals. They live in the water and they have special gills, like they breathe through gills when they are in water. So water animals, they breathe through gills. And fishes and whales, they live in water. Can fish live on land? No, because it lives only in water. So water animals means which live in water, like fishes, whales, seahorses, octopus, all these are water animals. Land animals. Land animals means which live in land, like elephant, horses, dog, cows, all the animals live on land. Some, but these are called land animals. So, which live on land are called land animals. And which animals, some animals, they live on, they fly. Some animals, they fly in the sky. Those are called flying animals. Like birds, they fly in the sky. Bats, they also fly. They fly most of the time, they spend in the flying because they have strong bones. They have hollow and strong body, and they have tail, they have feathers which help them to fly. And bat, it stretches the wings across the limbs and it flies. Can you did you see the bird today? Yes, we see crows, pigeons. Mostly we see crows and pigeons. All these are flying animals. And insects. Insects means every evening we'll see the insects like mosquitoes. They bite us. Ants. When you put some sugar, some sweet item, when you when you keep it somewhere, then ants will attack it. Honeybees, houseflies, butterflies, all these are insects. These are very small insects. These have 6 legs. Animals and their homes. So, animals and their homes. Dog. So, each and animal has a separate home, different home. So, like dog lives in kennel and honeybee lives in beehive and hen lives in coop. Sheep lives in pen. So you have to remember all these. Like dog lives in kennel, cow lives in shed, honeybee lives in beehive, and hen lives in coop. Sheep lives in pen, spider lives in web, ant lives in ant hill, horse lives in stable, lion lives in den, cat lives in cattery. So you have to remember all these homes. These are very important for Olympiad. Rabbit lives in burrow and animals and their babies. Animals and their babies. Like cow has calf and dog has puppy. Pig has piglet. Cat has kitten. Frog has tadpole. Lion has cub. Rabbit has bunny. Rabbit baby is bunny. Sheep baby is lamb. Panda cub. Goat kid. Chicken chick. Kangaroo joey. Owl owlet. Butterfly caterpillar. Dog puppy. So let me repeat once again. Cow, cow baby is calf. Cat, kitten. Pig, piglet. Frog, tadpole. Sheep, lamb. Rabbit, bunny. Panda, cub. Goat, kid. Chicken, chick. Dog, puppy. Kangaroo, joey. Owl, owlet. Butterfly, caterpillar. Dog, puppy. So where does a dog live? Can you answer this? I have In this chapter you have learned about different types of animals and different animals and their homes and the animals and their babies. So you have to answer this question. You like where does dog live? Dog lives in kennel and a cat lives in cat baby is kitten. Can you name one wild animal? Tiger, lion, giraffe, rhinoceros. All these are wild animals. So today we have learned about different types of and animals and their homes and animals and their babies. Tomorrow we will be learning about different chapter in Olympiad course. Up to now we have completed about living things and non-living things, plants and animals. Thank you class for being with me.